down at Providence Place Mall. June. How do you know what I'm gonna say? Listen, and I am. It's a heartless Jim after she was done.
The ladies love talking to heartless.
They absolutely do, yeah. I don't blame them, though.
90% of the female callers we get on the air could care less about us.
Yeah, they want to talk to Heartless instead.
It's the way
Here we go.
his voice makes the speakers vibrate.
Oh, hi, Heartless. Say something. We'll get my phone calls.
Who needs batteries?
Something. All right. Hey, coming up, we got the Dirt Report. Beyonce bonds with Kim Kardashian at Watch the Throne concert.
Not happy about that.
Chris Brown will be pressing charges in that whole bottle throwing incident, but I hear that club in New York City could be losing its license.
Oh, no.
All right, that and more coming up.
Keep it here, the NS Dirt's on deck. It's Hot 106 Rise and Garage.